Well, hello everyone. It is Edible Globe 16 again on another edition of making YouTube videos. Yeah, I got an eye patch, but nothing serious happened. I'm just wearing it for fun. I don't have like eye failures or like infections, you know. The thing is, I'll tell you why. So I was at summer camp for a youth group. So 2 days ago, I started getting a migraine, probably from like overstimulation. And after I drank something sugary, I started to get a headache. And then that night, for chapel time, I was for chapel night, I was overstimulated by all the loud noises. Like, there was a youth group behind my row that were super loud, and that night we got rubber ducks, and so many annoying kids were like taking the squeakers out and blowing squeakers just to annoy people. One of them said they don't care. But they said they were sorry. So, trying to think. And then that night, and then the next day, which was yesterday, I started getting a migraine, and it happened all day, and I was panicking. I was worried that it might happen for a while. And I kept taking ibuprofens and even Aleve. One Aleve my friend Aaron gave me. And then today, my migraine is still there, just a little, but it's just the right side of my face, my muscle, the right muscle side of my face, it's not working. I do not like completely understand why, but every time I smile, this side won't work. But I'll be fine. It'll take like a couple days. And my eye, if I try to blink, this eye is hardly shuddering. It feels like my engine is down. And in the light, this is sensitive. While this, if it's like super bright, it gets watery, and I started to rub it. And also, this ear is like sinusly sensitive. So I'm just wearing an eye patch just for fun. Okay, what are we actually gonna get to? Drumroll, please. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a 1976 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, painted Phoenician Ivory. Yeah, isn't it cool? Look at it. It's got nice colors. So, there is a hazel colored one on my list. I call it Dale, for my fictional town of Lakeway, New York. But at Walmart today, I was thinking of this, but I have a hazel colored one on my list that I just mentioned, and this is a cool color. But until the end, I thought there could be two Coupe DeVilles. Yes, it runs smoothly. Look at it. It's so luxurious. Ooh. It's got an 8.2 liter overhead valve V8. The doors don't open. But yeah. So this is branded by Auto World. I have a 1975 Eldorado. That I think the front wheels or the back wheels don't work that well. Yeah, I have a whole list of cars in my head for the town Lakeway. I'm gonna have to make a book of all the Lakeway citizens. I'll just have to use like Gemini to convert toy cars into Pixar looking cars. I saw in a comment from the YouTube channel, dang, I forgot the name, but he said ChatGPT and Gemini mostly, but it's not easy to trick Gemini through certain copyright restrictions. But whatever. So what am I gonna say? Yeah, so I'm gonna make Gemini trick toy cars, my toy cars, into Pixar looking cars, and it'll be fun. This is embarrassing. I can't smile, guys. I can't. Just can't. So the reason why I have this eye patch is because I'm gonna use it for sleep because I can hardly close it. It's giving me my bedtime tool. I'll be fine. You know, just pray to me about this. It'll really help. So, this is the Cadillac Coupe DeVille. It's really cool. I'm gonna name it. I'm running out of boy name ideas because it's already been used because a lot of cars look like boys, old cars, but new ones, they look like girls because of their new shape. This looks like a boy. Probably a smooth talker because he looks like a Texas guy. Howdy, partner. So, like, subscribe, comment down below what videos I should do next. Let me know if you have an actual 1976 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. We'll see you all later. Boo.